What's going on, guys? Mikey Messini here with Mikey Daily Carry, and today I got a new package from Civivi, and this is a knife, fork, spoon, can opener. That's right, 4-in-1. This is the Partake. I've worked with Civivi in the past. By the way, just as a disclaimer, this was sent to me, and there's no payment or anything like that. No payment expectations for having this thing. They just sent it for review. That's pretty much it. I've been working with Civivi for a long time, and anytime I get my hands on any of their gear, it is an experience. In the box, you have your Civivi sticker. You also have a little pamphlet here with the different types of knives that they sell. And then you have your warranty information. By the way, Civivi has a lifetime warranty on their gear. And you got your microfiber cloth. In the package, it comes in this like wax canvas protector. Open this up, and this right here is your Partake. So I saw the Partake long ago, and immediately it was something that I was very interested in because I feel that this is a backpack companion that can literally live in my backpack and be very useful for my day-to-day. There's 4 tools in one. So you have your spoon, and then you have your fork, right? Filipinos, they eat with a spoon and fork. Next time you see a Filipino eat, they got a spoon and fork in hand. It's exactly what it is. So you got your pokey pokes, you get your food, or we can use that fork to scoop the food into the spoon, and then we go ahead and eat. Now, this right here is magnetic, and it goes in like so. Let me get this in here. So it goes in like so, and it locks in place. And so if I want to use all of it together, I can, because I could just have everything tethered together, right? Or if I want to split the two, then I can have that separate, right? And they have this set up this way by design. So if I fold out the knife, right, and essentially like your butter knife, I can put that spoon back in, and say you're eating a steak. Well, hold that meat down, start cutting away with this knife, you're good to go. This is the perfect camping tool. I mean, forget packing an entire kitchen. This is what you need, okay? I actually just touched that knife a little bit. That's pretty sharp. You gotta be careful there. I did have this guide here that talked about all the different specs of this product. So let's take a look at this. This is the black color. It also comes in other colors as well. It's essentially a multi-tool, right? Because it comes with all those different utensils. Your knife, your fork, your spoon, your can opener. It's stainless steel. The handle material, black handle material right here. On the back side, that's aluminum, okay? And then it also is backed with magnets. So this piece goes into this hole right here, and then you just twist it. And once you twist it, either way you go, those magnets are going to clamp onto each other and really keep itself together. It really partakes with one another. See what I did there? Okay, and then it also comes with, so this one is a black finish. The screw materials are stainless steel as well. And then the pivot assembly is on bronze washers. So the pivots here, oh, there's that can opener. I didn't even get to pull that one out. So you got your can opener there and your bottle opener. And this is truly by design, right? Because you can't have your fork and your knife on the same side. And then what are you gonna do? Cut your steak with your spoon? No. So it also has like this slip joint action. So you got 1, 2, right? Same with your knife. The knife actually, oh, yep, 1, 2. And then your bottle opener, 1, 2. And these are all the tools deployed. So pretty handy. You have that wax canvas pouch. So that way this isn't just sitting in your backpack like so. You have it protected with this. Still recommend probably, washing this down with some water and soap before you use it. Stay sanitary, But the MSRP on this thing is $99.70. And I will have a link in the description of this video. But I thought this was neat. So I had asked Civivi specifically if I could check these out, because I truly feel that this is going to be a smart backpack companion. Because if you're on your lunch break or anything like that, utensils run out, things of that nature, you're never going to run out, because you have this tool with you that can live right in here in this pouch. and you are good to go. I mean, such a clever design. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, the Partake. What are your thoughts on this? Or maybe you have this already. How has it been working for you? Fire down in the comments below because I really would love to know. My name is Mikey Messina. This is Mikey Daily Carry. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Walk